Hello, and welcome to the interchange intro video for Unit 4. Today, we're going to talk about possessives. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so possessives. Possessives are words that describe possession. So, possessives describe the possession of objects and things. For example, my car is red. My is the possessive, and it describes the possession of the car. My car is red. Or your car is red. Now, your is a possessive when we talk directly to a person. Your car is red. His dog is gray. Now, his is the possessive for one man or one boy. So this is a man, and this is his dog. His dog is gray. Or her. Her cats are big. Her we use for one woman or one girl. So this is a woman, and these are her cats. So her cats are big. Their motorcycle is fast. Again, we use their for people, more than one person. 2 people, 3 people, a group of people, right? Boys and girls, men and women. So these are 2 people, right? And this is their motorcycle. Their motorcycle is fast. Good. And the last one. Our things are nice. So our is the possessive for I and other people. So a group of people, many people, and each person is talking about their things and the other people's things. So they use our things. Our things are nice. Okay, so remember the possessives. My, your, his, her, their, and our we use to describe the possessive of the object. Okay, let's practice. Hello, my name is Jared. This is my house and my car. This is Joe. His last name is Anderson. This is his house and his dog. This is Margaret. Her last name is Miller. This is her house, and these are her cats. This is Jeff and Bob. Their last name is Nelson. This is their house and their motorcycle.
These are our houses. These are our things.
Whose house is this? Is this your house? Remember, whose is the WH question word for possession. Okay, so we looked at these possessives. My, your, his, her, their, and our. Remember, these possessives use the possessive, then the object. For example, this is my car. This is your car. This is his dog. These are her cats. This is their motorcycle. These are our things. But we have another type of possessive. Another type. So, when we use my, we also have mine for a possessive. We have your and yours with an extra S. We have his and we use his, and those are the same. They are equal. We have her and hers. Again, an extra S. Their and theirs with an extra S. Our and ours with an extra S. So these possessives are another type of possessive. Mine, yours, his, hers, theirs, ours. Now, we use these different. Remember, this possessive, my, for example, uses the possessive and then the object. For example, this is my car. But this possessive, we use the object first, then the possessive. For example, this is my car, or this car is mine. And the object is first. Object be possessive. Good. This example, this is your car, or this car is yours. Object be possessive. Remember that S. We finish the sentence with these possessions, with these possessives. This example, this is his dog, or with this dog is his. Again, the object is first. Object be possessive. This example, these are her cats, or with this possessive, these cats are hers. Again, the object, the verb to be, and the possessive. Remember that S when we finish with the possessive. This is their motorcycle. Or with this possessive, theirs, this motorcycle is theirs. Again, the object is first, the possessive with the S finishes the sentence. Good. The last one, these are our things. Or these things are ours. Again, the object and the possessive at the end. So remember, these possessives, mine, yours, his, hers, theirs, and ours, is at the end of the sentence, the last part of the sentence. And we use the object first. We use it before the possessive. Okay, so let's practice.
Whose car is this?
This car is mine.
And the house?
It's also mine.
Whose house is this?
It's his.
And the dog?
The dog is also his.
Whose cats are these?
They're hers.
And the house?
This house is hers.
Whose motorcycle is this?
It is theirs.
And the house?
The house is theirs too.
Whose houses are these?
These houses are ours.
And the things?
They are ours.
Is this house yours? We have one more type of possession. We use a name and apostrophe s, and that is possession. Name, apostrophe s, and that is possession. For example, this is Jared's car. Remember, we do not say the car of Jared. No, no. We say this is Jared's car. Remember, name, apostrophe s, and that is the possession. This is Joe's dog. These are Margaret's cats. This is Jeff and Bob's motorcycle. Very good. Okay, so let's practice. Remember, we can use a name, apostrophe s, and that is possession. For example,
Whose house is this?
it's Joe's.
Whose cats are these?
They're Margaret's cats.
Whose house is this?
It's Jeff and Bob's. Okay, so remember, we have three types of possessives. Her, hers, with an S, and a name and apostrophe S. For example, Margaret's. Okay? So, this is Margaret's house. Her last name is Miller. These cats are hers. Very good. Good luck with the homework, and thank you for watching.